Welcome to my honest review of Easy Home Finance, a personal finance app that's been gaining popularity for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features. In this video, I'll be taking you through my entire user experience, starting from the moment I signed up to my detailed exploration of its key functionalities. When you first open Easy Home Finance, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard that immediately displays your financial overview, including your income, expenses, and remaining budget. Setting up your account is straightforward, and the app guides you step by step in linking your bank accounts, categorizing transactions, and setting financial goals. One standout feature is the automatic expense categorization, which helps you quickly identify where your money is going without the hassle of manual input. Budget creation is another highlight. Easy Home Finance allows you to create customizable budgets for different categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and savings. You can set spending limits for each category and receive alerts if you're approaching your limit. This is particularly helpful for anyone trying to stick to a strict budget. The app also offers a detailed spending analysis, complete with graphs and charts. This visual representation makes it easy to identify spending patterns and areas for improvement. For example, if your dining out expenses are consistently high, the app suggests adjustments to help you save more. Another great feature is the financial goal tracker. Whether you're saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or paying off debt, Easy Home Finance provides clear progress tracking. You can set a target amount and a timeline, and the app will calculate how much you need to save monthly to reach your goal. Security is a major concern when it comes to financial apps, and Easy Home Finance does not disappoint. It uses bank-level encryption to protect their data, and there's also the option to enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. While the app has many strengths, there are a few downsides worth noting. Some users might find the free version limited in features, and certain advanced functionalities, such as custom reports, are only available with a premium subscription. Additionally, the learning curve for first-time users could be slightly steep, especially for those unfamiliar with personal finance apps. Overall, Easy Home Finance stands out as an excellent tool for anyone looking to take control of their finances. It combines powerful features with an intuitive design, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced budgeters. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of personal finance tools. Your support helps me create more valuable content. See you in the next video.